Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about the break tag of HTML. So for that reason, I'm displaying some text on the screen. So this is the text, or this is the string that we are going to print on the browser. So here I have written the welcome to Tech Sharmit, and today we will learn about the BR tag. So this is my sentence, or this is my text that I have written on the screen. Now we will see this on browser. So I will save it, and by right clicking on my screen I will go and select this option, open in default browser. So this is my browser screen, and that's how that text is representing on the browser. So that it is directly showing same as we have written on our screen. So now suppose if the requirement is that if we wanted to break this line from after the Sharmit. So what I want to print this welcome to text Sharmit on the line one, and there after that there should be one blank line, and then the remaining text will be populated. So how we will achieve this? So for achieving this, we will use the break tag. Now we will make use of break tag and then see the difference for same. So what I will do, I will write opening angular bracket, then br is for breaking the line, and then closing angular bracket. So that's all. So we don't have there's no closing tag for the br tag, because it's a self closing tag, or we can say that it is an empty tag. We are not supposed to write anything between these tags. That's why this tag is except we can say that there are few tags that are exceptional case, that doesn't need any closing tags. So br is also one from them. Okay, so here we have written the br tag just after the Sharmit, and now we will save this and again see the same on browser, and we will see the difference or the use of br tag. So once I refresh my page, we can see that now the first line shows only the welcome to text Sharmit, and then there is a line break, and after line break there is another my remaining text is populated. So that's how we can use the br tag for making a line break after any particular text. So what we will see, we will try again one more time using of we will again use the br tag after the learn. So here I have written the word learn. So after that we will use the br tag again. So here if I write the br tag again, and then if I save this and refresh my browser, so we can see that again my entire string or my entire sentence is breaking two lines. So my first line is showing the welcome to text Sharmit, then today we will learn, and then the about the br tag of html. So that's how we can break the line as per our need. Okay, so suppose what if I do two or three break tag before the welcome, then what happens we will see. So what same I will do, put some br tag before the welcome. So one, two, and three. So here I have written three break tag just before the welcome. And now I will save this and again refresh my page. So here we can observe that there are three break lines before the welcome, because here we have used the three break tag just before the welcome. That's why we are observing the three break line before this. So that's the main use of using the break tag. So it is mainly used just for creating a break line, or uh, for performing a carriage return. We can see that it's a carriage return for the browser screen. So that's why we use the break tag. So yeah, that's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will see some more html text. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmat.